So last night about 3 o'clock in the morning, wake up, the baby's crying to eat, needs a diaper change. You feed it, it's ready to go back to sleep, and you pull the chain, and it breaks. So how do you fix it? I'm going to give you a quick tutorial. Baby back up. Show you how to fix the chain after it broke. Before you do any electrical work, make sure you have the lamp unplugged. Alright, so at 3 o'clock in the morning last night, I ended up pulling on the string, and the little ball chain broke. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to replace the ball chain on this lamp from Ikea. This piece here now pulls out. So you have exposed wires, and right here is where the ball piece broke. And then take this end, after you squeeze that apart, spread it apart, we want to go through, hopefully I get this on camera for you, through there. Once you get that piece thread through there, kind of got to rotate that through, but you want it through the pull chain here that we can see. Go here, and then we got to realign this piece back up through. This slides up over, drops into place. Take 6. Slide that right in through. Let that put tension on it, and then you take that knife and just pry that piece back shut. Comes off. This area just gets pushed back down in through. And do a test fit. Alright, now you want to test fit with the lamp. Wow.